Hello friends, today I am making a healthy pasta with lot of veggies and I have taken a suji pasta. So let's boil our pasta. So once my pasta will get boiled, I will strain this water, and keep my pasta aside. While doing this step, just remember that we have to add little bit of salt in the water when we are boiling it. That's all. And we don't have to drain this with the cold water at all. We just have to strain it and keep it aside. In the other pan, let's take butter, melted butter, and I have added around 2 tablespoons of refined flour, which is maida, and I'm just mixing it well. Once it becomes, goldenish in color, like we have to fry it till that point we see that it's golden brown in color. And the moment it gets brownish in color, we will add milk on this. We are making a white sauce and we'll keep some thick white sauce for this pasta. I'm using a very full cream milk over here and I've added salt and a pepper, freshly crushed pepper in this. Just mix this very well and make sure there is no lumps because that's the most important thing. So we have to keep on mixing it until we get a thick consistency out of this. Once this is thoroughly mixed, you will see that we will get into this kind of a consistency and this is perfect for our pasta. So I'll switch off the flame at this point of time and I'll keep my white sauce aside and I'll go to my pasta. These are the veggies which I have used for making this pasta. You can use any choice of your vegetables, whatever you like, but these all is something which I prefer to put in my pasta and to make it more healthy and colorful. So that gives a very nice flavors. Dried tomatoes and olives is something which I really like. So I've chopped that also and kept that. And I'll use one non-stick pan. Put extra virgin oil. Like you have to really keep it very in a generous amount of olive oil because that gives a very nice flavor to any Italian dish. And once you put that oil, we have to first saute our garlic, lot of garlics. As much as you like and you want to put in. Then I have put in spring onion. So that also I will saute with my garlic in this extra virgin olive oil. And we have to saute this. And after a bit of saute, just start adding all the veggies which you have, whatever you like to. So I have added bell peppers, which is colorful bell peppers, mushroom, dried tomato, olives, and broccoli. So these are the veggies which I'm adding. So let's add all these veggies and give it a good mix. Once it is mixed thoroughly, you have to saute these veggies and add, I'm adding this chili flakes as well as I will be adding some seasoning, some oreganos on top of it. Generous amount again because that gives a very good flavors to your pasta. So let's add these two things. That's all. A trick, don't add any salt at this point of a time. That is something which we are going to add at the very end of our pasta. So once this is added, give it again a good stir, keep on stirring. And once you see that your veggies are mostly cooked, then just add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. Once tomato puree is added, you add your dried tomatoes, olives if you want to add. That's all are optional as per your own choice. And give it a good mix and keep it, cook it and add the boiled pasta which we have kept. So this is how it looks, so beautiful, so colorful and so healthy. Now here I'm making, adding a pinch of salt along with the white sauce which we have made at the first of this recipe. And at the same time also adding a couple of cubes of cheese, again optional, but this really gives a very good binding to your pasta when you add cheese. Mix it thoroughly until your entire white sauce and the cheese get melted in your pasta and it mixes very well, and serve it with and garnish with coriander leaves. That's all. So it's very quick, easy recipe to make, and at the same time it's very healthy as well. So I'm going to enjoy my pasta. I hope you like this recipe. Go and enjoy and make your own pasta.